Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to get the number of monthly searches on Google Trends. So first thing that you will do is simply go to trends.google.com and this will be their homepage. And from here, just simply go to the explore at the second tab. And now from here guys, in order for you to get the number of monthly searches, just simply select this one, past 12 months. And from here, you could go for past 30 days. So for the current month, you should be able to see here what is being searched on the web search over here. So guys, remember that you could filter it out by selecting this web search over here. And you could go for YouTube search, Google Shopping, news search, or image search. And you could categorize it as well in order for you to narrow down your searches. And you could select a location as well, and you could go for worldwide. And pretty much this will be the current web searches. And from here, if you want to select a specific topic, you could just simply select it and go for explore. And from here guys, you should be able to see here the number of searches for the past 30 days. And now from here, this pretty much is all of the location that have searched for this keyword. And let's say I'm gonna go for this one, and after that click on this one, go for the explore. And from here you could see the number of searches within this month, and you could add another word as well over here. So this will be depending on you. Let's say I'm gonna go for tuna, and from here you will have more searches of tuna than corn beef in the past 30 days. There you go. See ya.